Hello everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I will show you how to use the image generator features in Qwen in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more AI related tips. Let's get started. First thing first, open the Qwen app on your phone. Once you are in the home page, find Image Generator section in the menu or chat interface. Click on it to start creating AI generated image. Now type a detailed description of the image you want to generate. Be as specific as possible with color, style, object and theme to get the best result. After entering your prompt, click the generate button. Qwen will process your request and create an image based on your description. Once your image is ready, you can download it to your device or make adjustments if needed. Try refining your prompt for best result. And that's it. Now you know how to generate amazing AI-powered image using Qwen. If this video helped you, drop a like, leave a comment and subscribe for more AI guide and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy creating.